The cats are all waiting, and there's Jeff.
Will hurt you.
Well, good morning.
She said streaming our design.
Excuse me.
Limbs, look at this belly. It's so chunky. I'm so sorry.
Hey, no. He will.
Hey, no.
Okay.
No!
Mama.
No. No. Callie.
Okay, I don't know what is happening here, but shenanigans like kind of popped out of nowhere.
Do you have a cat? And if you do, does it bring you presents? Because mine.
Is that a fucking goldfish? Dude, where the fuck did you get a goldfish?
Wet wipes case a bum try to touch me. Ew. I'm the Terminator.
Mowgli, drop the rat. God damn it. Quit bringing birds in here.
Nick, it's literally. Oh my god.
Oh, God.
Are you okay, kitty?